Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Bubu, do you want to say something?
Guys, namusha in casa na yummy, ipege in lasagna.
He just said my girlfriend today made lasagna. Yeah, he's ready to go to my country. So guys, today I'm going to talk about my difference between dating black guys and white guys. So for my own experience, for my own personal experience, I just believe that people are people. The only thing that differentiates them is their personality and their height, just that. But when it comes to dating black guys, my dating experience was not the best. So I felt like all the time I was reminded to constantly look good. You have to dress nice, you have to have makeup on point, you have to have your hair done. Everything has to be on point. And this, I feel like it wasn't for me to feel good. I feel like it's for them to satisfy their look, their eyes. And when I met them, like it didn't take time for them to say I love you. So for them proposing to say, hey, I like you, they all already say I love you. We don't have a relationship yet, and the person is already saying I love you. Like if I think of it now, I'm like, that was weird. And with the white guys that I have dated, whenever they told me they love me, I always felt the love, and I feel valued and I feel liberated. Like it feels great because when the person says something to you, you feel that they mean it. Unlike with the black guys that I had. And when going out, like my boyfriend wants me to be who I want to be. Like he doesn't care much about what he wants, but he cares if I feel comfortable in wearing whatever I'm wearing. So it's a relief. And one more thing that I've realized is it's very easy for me to tell a black African boyfriend a joke because we share the same culture. But with my current boyfriend, it's very hard because he doesn't understand some of the jokes and I have to explain. And once the joke is to be explained, it's no longer a joke, it's not funny anymore. So, yeah.
Habobo, listen, I left your jokes even when they're not funny. Like, you don't have to worry about that.
But I have to explain the joke,
Hey, I can't relate because my jokes are universally funny, so I don't share your experience. I'm sorry.
That's why.
But you're very funny, yeah?
No, I don't believe you. So guys, let me know if you have a similar dating experience as me, or you have a very different one, and what would be your biggest difference in dating black and white guys. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye bye.